Football View, the beautiful game.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Football View. If you're new here, you know what to do, subscribe and hit the notification bell. So we'll be talking about Asante Kotoko. They will be facing Accra Lions in Accra today. We're talking about that. You can see I'm wearing the Kotoko jersey. Most of you know I'm a Kotoko fan, and today we're going to talk about that game. We'll talk about how important the game is for Kotoko fans and how Prosper Nate should line up his team or set up his team against Accra Lions. And I'll give you my possible predictions. So if you're new here, you know what to do, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now, without wasting much time, let's get into it. First of all, I need to state this very, very clearly. Accra Lions are not a team that you should underestimate. If Kotoko go to Accra Sports Stadium and sleep, Accra Lions will score 3 goals, 4 goals against Kotoko. So Kotoko should not underrate Accra Lions. They are a very good team. They have not lost a game so far this season. They've played 3 games this season and they have just gotten 1 win. They've registered 1 win from those games, and they got a draw against Mediama away from home to tell you how serious they are this season. Still unbeaten. Kotoko, on the other hand, have not registered a win so far this season. 3 games, 2 points. 2 points from 3 games. Actually shocking that Kotoko, a team like Kotoko, will register only 2 points from a possible 9 points, and it's shocking. It's shocking. Fans will be expecting Prosper Nate to turn things around when Kotoko face Accra Lions, considering the fact that Accra Lions have never beaten Kotoko before. Accra Lions have never beaten Kotoko before. The last game they played ended in a 1-0. In fact, they met twice. The first one ended in a 4-0 win for Kotoko in Kumasi. The second one ended in a 1-0 win for Asante Kotoko at the Accra Sports Stadium. That should give Kotoko players and coach the momentum to play this game, because they know that Accra Lions have never beaten them before. They have not taken a point from Kotoko before. So today, Kotoko is expected to beat Accra Lions. That's on paper, but as it stands right now, if you look at the way both teams are playing, people will say no, Accra Lions are actually in a very good position to beat Kotoko. If you look at the odds, the betting odds, Kotoko have been given 3 points or 3 odds to beat Accra Lions, while Accra Lions have been given 2 odds to beat Kotoko. Shocking, right? If you went into coma 2 years ago or 3 years ago or even a year ago, I wake up today and you see the odds, you'll be surprised, because Kotoko is a big team, but the performance this season are not showing that they are playing like a big team. Now let's talk about the game itself. I think Prosper Nate is under pressure. He has to perform. He has to field in players and all that. People have been talking about Kotoko is not an academy team. That Prosper Nate needs to feed in the experienced players, the players he had last season. He shouldn't bench the experienced players, the players that have Premier League experience, that they are on the bench. You see, Baba Yaya started from the bench in the last game. He came in to replace Isaac Opong in the first half and eventually got Kotoko the winner. In fact, he changed the overall game for Asante Kotoko. People say, you see, why are you benching experienced players? Why not play them instead of fielding players that are from Division 2 that lack Premier League experience? For example, Bernard Swama is a very, very talented player. He's good. You can see his inexperience showing in the games he has played, especially in the last game where he almost got sent off. I think fans felt he was lucky that he wasn't sent off. That game, he was very, very lucky not to be sent off. So I think they are good. The players we have seen so far, they are good, but the inexperience and the pressure playing for Kotoko is still there. If Prosper Nate wants to start getting results, he should start playing the experienced players in the team. Once he starts playing the experienced players, I think the results will start coming for Asante Kotoko. Then, as for the players that he should start, Lamte and Baba Yaya should start. Ben Aswama has shown that he is very, very good. I don't know if he will start this game or come in as a sub as usual. I just want Prosper Nate to field in the experienced player. That's the only thing I want. Sheriff Mohammed should start this game. It's a very crucial game. Accra Lions are a very attacking team. We need someone in the defensive midfield position to stop the attacking threat and show the fans that we actually can do something away from home. Today is going to be an interesting game. And fans will be expecting Kotoko to shock Accra Lions, to show them that I know we started bad, but we are here to beat you. You have not beaten us before. You have not even taken a point from us. We are coming here to beat you as usual. Fans, when I tweeted about the game, someone said, oh, it's Accra Lions, it's just a formality, we'll just go there and beat them as usual and come back. It sounds confident, but if Kotoko are not careful, like I said before, it's going to be a game that Accra Lions is going to embarrass Kotoko, and if Accra Lions actually embarrass Kotoko at the Accra Sports Stadium, you know who will speak the loudest. Then I think this win, if Kotoko can beat Accra Lions today, I think it's a win that can propel Kotoko and kickstart their season. They've had a very disappointing start to the season. A win for Prosper Nati and his boys will be the best propeller or the best catalyst to, you know, propel their season or push their season ahead, because it's shocking. Everyone say the second coming is not good. The second coming will always be a disaster. Second coming will always be a disaster. Now, so far it has been, but Prosper Nati is not agreeing that things are not happening the way he wants. He's not agreeing. He's not accepting the fact that things are not working the way he wants, and that's the problem. Once he starts accepting that this thing that's going on is not the way it should be, there's a problem here, there's something going on, this is not how my team should play and all that, this is not the result we want and all that. Once he starts accepting the fact, he will start looking for solutions, because right now he's still gambling, he's still trying to find out the system that works, he's still trying to see the personnel that works. He's still, you know, because Kotoko have filled in 24 players, I think 23 players so far in 3 games, 23 different players. Prosper Nati is still trying to get it right. He's trying to look for the right personnel to play for Kotoko, and I think if he doesn't find that very soon, he might not last till December. That's my opinion. Overall, Accra Lions game is going to be a game everyone has to watch. Everyone has to be at the Accra Sports Stadium to watch the spectacular Asante Kotoko play against Accra Lions. I'll be at the stadium if you'll be there. Let me know, then we'll link up, and maybe I'll get your reactions and put on the channel here. So I think that's all for today. I'd like to know your thoughts. Do you think Kotoko can beat Accra Lions? And as for my prediction, I will be giving Kotoko a 2-1 win against Accra Lions today. I'm expecting Accra Lions to score first and Kotoko to bounce back and win from 1-0 down to 2-1 victory for Asante Kotoko. That is my prediction. So I would like to know yours. Put that in the comment section and tell me what you think. And subscribe if you haven't, and click the notification bell. I'll be posting more videos because I just started posting more. I'm back to the channel. I'll be posting more videos regularly. I hope you stay with me, and you know, comment, support the channel, share to your friends and everything. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.